I wanted you to hear all the bird noises. They've cooled off just a little bit, but hi, Willie. Hi, Willie. Hunt him up. He needs me to sing. I got the peace that passeth understanding down in my heart. Down in my heart. What a weird dog. He won't run unless I sing. Down in my heart, and I can't even sing very well. And that's his fort over there. And now he wants me to come dig holes in the fort. You know, it's boy stuff. But the whole reason I'm doing this is to listen to the birds. So I'm going to shut up for a minute. Oh, they'll be gone soon. And I love them so much. Do you hear the hawk in the background? There was an eagle I heard a minute ago. That crazy whistle. I got the joy, 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 joy down in my heart. Been singing all the time since you've been gone. I've got the peace that passeth understanding down in my heart. And here he comes, that Willie man. I got the peace that passeth. What? What do you see? Hunt him up. We have more fun. He has no idea what he's after. So he's just going around in circles. Get him, Willie, get him! Hunt him up! Yep, he's getting them. Anyway, enough of the birds. Turning it off. You gonna come get me, Willie? I love you. I love you, Rebby. I love you, Rebby. Rebby's my little old partner that I sit by. She wants scratches on the rear end. Yes, that feels good, doesn't it, Willie? Rebby. See you guys later. Bye.